On this video, we'll show you how to install WordPress on Laragon. Searching WordPress.org. Click on Get WordPress and download it. Click on Root. Here paste download WordPress file zip. Name of folder same as name of your website, and you can change it. Start the Laragon. Searching localhost / the folder name, you choose it. Select your language. Click on Let's Go. Go to Laragon and click Database. In Laragon database, username is root and no password. Click on New. Select name for database and click on Create. On this page, write your database name and username is root and no password. Here, write your title, website, and create username, password, admin login. Enter username and password. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.